Hello everyone. My name is Harjinder Singh and I am presently working as PRT in Sarthak School, Panchkula, Haryana. And of course, welcome to Nice to Teach You. Just a few days ago, I attended a 4-day training of FLN, which was quite enjoyable. And we had various activities and I learned how to use Sampark Smartbox with my present methods of teaching. The training was mainly an introduction of FLN in classes 4th and 5th. And this video is an attempt on my part to teach a lesson of class 4th by using this Sampark Smartbox. Talking about this Smartbox, its functioning was very easy and the children enjoyed a lot. Every time I had the remote control in my hand, the children felt that something new was about to happen. Now let's see what I did with this smart box in my classroom. Yes, the purpose of training was to teach in the right order and manner. मतलब सही क्रम से, सही ढंग से. The comment box is open to all viewers for any suggestion and I would be very happy to drop a comment for any improvement or my mistakes. Let's start. So I started with the first step, class 4 lesson 1, my book of English, planting. And the first step as per lesson plan was to show the video and make students understand the words given in the lesson. So I played the video and students enjoyed watching it.
Hello dear children. It's reading time. I took a little seed one day, about a month ago. I put it in a pot of dirt, in hopes that it would grow. I poured a little water to make the soil right. I set the pot upon the sill, where the sun would give it light.
Wow, we have learned so many new words in this lesson. Let us see all new words again.
Done.
The next step was to tell the meaning of the words and it was done by Sampark Didi via Sampark Box very effectively.
Ashana. Ashana.
Fold.
Ureda. Ureda.
उड़ेला
Sill. Sill.
सिल
Chocolate.
चौखट या फिर छज्जा.
I check the pot most every day and turn it once or
Students also read the lesson along with the feature of box read along.
check. Check.
चेक मतलब
Janja. Janja.
Twice. We will come again with reading time. Okay, बच्चों, bye bye. बच्चों, मैं जाती हूँ, कल फिर मिलने आती हूँ.
The next step was to tell the meanings in Hindi of the words. So I wrote all the words on whiteboard and students also wrote these words in their notebooks.
चेक चेक था है ना. चेक मीन्स क्या था.
More time was given to weak students as I called them forward and read the difficult words and their meanings. And students were enjoying, as you can see, teaching with this Sampark Smart Box. The next step was based on pronunciation, and this was done with this feature of this box. So I borrowed a phone from another teacher. For next activity, speak words with the help of this app Sampark Smart Shala, and it was very effective in improving pronunciation.
Little.
ये आया एक्सीलेंट, ये आया
Excellent.
बोलो
Hopes.
Students enjoyed this whole fun,
फिर से
as this comes out to be just like a game for them.
Sin. Sorry.
The next step was to relate all this with their textbooks.
पिक्चर्स में आप क्या देखते हैं?
Sunflower. Sugarcane. Banyan tree. Marigold.
और हाउ डू सीड्स ग्रो इनटू प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज? एक बीज पौधे और पेड़ में कैसे बदल जाता है?
सर जब वाटरमेलन का बीज है हमें मिट्टी खोदनी होगी, उसके बाद जो बीज है उसको वहाँ पे डालना होगा, उसके ऊपर मिट्टी डाल कर पानी डालकर
उसको धूप में रख दो, फिर धीरे धीरे करके प्लांट बाहर आ जाएगा। चलो क्लैपिंग करो भी नेहा की।
Now it's my turn to explain the whole lesson in Hindi.
I put it in a pot of dirt in hopes that it would grow. हिंदी में एक दिन मैंने छोटा सा बीज लिया। अबाउट अ मंथ अगो मतलब एक महीना पहले। कब? आई पुट इट इन अ पॉट ऑफ डर्ट। पॉट मतलब
गमला।
छोटा सा गमला, मिट्टी से भरे हुए गमले के अंदर मैंने उसको डाल दिया। इन होप्स दैट इट वुड ग्रो, ये सोचते हुए या ये उम्मीद करते हुए या ये आशा रखते हुए कि वो बड़ा होगा। क्या होगा? बड़ा होगा।
After explaining everything, I wanted students to read it for me again.
I took a little seed one day. About a month ago, I put it in a pot of dirt in hopes that it would grow.
Now it's a testing time. There is a worksheet given in Smart Shala app, and students have to underline the noun words. So I called them one by one and underlined the required words.
Sir, grapes or baskets?
ग्रेप्स,
Again, the kids were very happy in doing all this. Now the last step, the recapitulation part, as Smart Shala app includes Didi ke Sawal. It's just like KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati. One question with 4 answers, and students have to choose the right option.
सही में क्या?
451 रह गए।
चूज नाउन, इनमें से नाउन चूज करना है। आई हैव सम फ्रूट्स विद मी। चूज वर्ब, वर्ब समझाई थी तुम्हें, एक्शन वर्ड्स, कुछ भी करना वर्ब होता है। चूज द राइमिंग वर्ड ऑफ ट्राई। राइमिंग वर्ड ऑफ क्रो।
So it was an effort from my part correlating Sampad Shala box with my teachings. आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट ज़रूर दीजिएगा, कोई भी कैसा भी, अच्छा या बुरा। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू, गुड बाय।